Okay guys, welcome back to Tesha's TV. So today I'll be doing some steamed fish. So for all my steamed fish lovers, stay tuned. I'm gonna do some steamed fish. I am just gonna steam it with some bammy. Me have bammy. Some people love it with crackers. I love mine with crackers or bammy. You know bammy are the thing. Back in the day style, bammy is the thing. So here am I at this lovely river. Lovely river. It's very nice, very calm. But the water is a bit cold now because there's a cold front that is out. Or we still feel it. Well, today it's so kind of cold still, but the water is a bit chilly, but it's good. One nicer than for the river. What a river bed? River bed nice. Well nice to be the river. And I like when they're in a bathroom, I feel a spin and a spin for wet up. One dip. At every party you get wet. You can come. People normally all to the day, people come a river come wash. Back then they used to like put out the clothes them on the stone and stuff to dry. Jeans pants them put it on the stone and rub it. You come now, you wash your picnic in here. Some people are bring all them plate and something come wash up. Everything you can think of, you do a river. You wash your mat them for your bathroom, everything. One nicer than this. Look at nature. Big up God now. Big up Father God because He made this possible. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go back now to pick up my son from school. Well, I'm going to Saturday class, extra lesson. So I'm going to pick him up now, then go back home to start my steamed fish rolling. So for my steamed fish lovers, stay tuned. Time for the steamed fish. So here I have with me my pumpkin Irish potato, some okra, carrot, sweet pepper, and bammy. Well, definitely I have to soak the bammy in some coconut milk. That's the bammy I have to soak a little. Some people like it when it's fried, or you can just when you steam it, you put it in there and make it steam with something. Or you can add crackers to it. But today we're gonna do the steam bammy. So come along with me. I cut up my vegetables then. So finish cutting up the seasonings. Put on the pot on fire. Then I'm gonna add in my butter. Now I use a lot of butter. Watch your cholesterol, you know. So after that hey, butter and garlic nice, you know. If you love garlic and so like me. And I always do it this way. Some people might put in use cooking oil. But today, I normally use it too. But today I am using butter. I'm going to leave it now, make it melt out. Then put in my seasoning and let it saute. Right. Oh my god. Can you really put it? Well, nice. Just smelling the butter and this well nice. Oh, you better not drop. So guys, now I add in now vegetables them from a steamed fish. And then I'm going to pour some water on it. And I'm going to cover it for a little. Let these half cook, pre-cook. Then I'm going to add my fish. Okay, so now it's time to check on my pot. Awesome. Hey, what's to make pot bubble fast, you know? Yeah. You just over to do this. So guys, I've already pre-cut my okra. So now we pan these to cook, my vegetables and my fish. Then I gotta add the okra in when it's near for done, because you know enough people like when the okra crunchy, not soft. So me like it crunchy. I don't want to do it soft. So that is gonna be the second to last thing that I am going to add into my pot. Okay guys, so now it's time to put in my fish. Let's do a little fish then. Wow. Oh, fish in it. Snapper, red snapper. Normally I love fish with coconut juice, but today I not do it that way then. Okay guys, so now I cut up my bell pepper, sweet pepper, but actually I first see that purple one here. So I give it a try and see if it's even better than the green one or get more flavor. Look at this one. Smell the same. Smell the same way, but I first actually I see the purple one. No, I normally see red and yellow. Okay, first. Okay guys, so now it's time to check on my fish. This is one. Look nice. So gosh. We can't wait for adding the rest of things them to it. Oh gosh, I forget one something to tear in the one there. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add some hot noodle to it. I'm gonna dust it off because I don't want the noodle part in it. I just want the seasoning. I'm not using all of it because it's not a lot of fish. Hey, the fire are moving so fast. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put in my bammy them. Remember, before I've soaked this into some coconut milk. You can always fry your bammy if you wish, but today I do it this way. And then I add in my okra because I don't want the okra them too soft, so you know. So next time I'm going to lift off this pot and when it's supposed to done. Oh gosh, pretty. Awesome. Steamed fish and bammy. Okay guys, so my steamed fish is ready. Ready, 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 ready. Look at that. Oh my god. So, you know, the last thing we normally put is my sweet peppers. So I am going to leave my sweet peppers, let it stay for a bit, and then I'm going to share your meal. So stay tuned and continue to watching T-Shirts TV. And if you make it to the end of this video, please drop a heart in it. Thank you. Okay guys, so now my steamed fish is ready and served. Oh my lord. So you can add your pepper if you want more to it. So nice. So guys, please remember you can eat this with your bammy, your fish, your festival, or your crackers, whichever you choose. You can add more okra, more Irish, whatever you want more with it. But this is my way of doing my steamed fish. So guys, continue to watching T-Shirts TV and have a great weekend. Happy Sunday. Wherever you are, going to church today, or you went yesterday, tomorrow, whatever day it is. But continue watching T-Shirts TV, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.